Okay, this is only one that you have to use 317 hex wrench. Hold it. Let me show you. Hold it, and the 14. Hold on.
Good job, Grandpa.
14, and hold that up. Okay, I will. And that come off just like that, and that hold it like that, but put the screw back on. Put the screw right there, and then that's tie rod. Put the screw back on, so you won't lose them. Not tie them, but just leave them like that. And okay, let me do one hand first, see if I can do it. If not, I'm gonna have to let go. Okay, I got it. With one hand. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get a pry to pry it off.